other news, the San Diego Zoo has just announced their plans to add a new exhibit. In honor of the hit movies Madagascar and Happy Feet, the San Diego Zoo will be expanding and adding a penguin exhibit featuring penguin species from around the world. You will work with a partner to complete the task. One person will be the zoologist and the other person will be the head builder of the penguin exhibit. Your task is to research one penguin species. As a zoologist, you will observe the penguins in their natural habitat. You will need to keep track of what they eat and other habits. Gather as much information as you can about your penguin species. As the head builder of the penguin exhibit, you will look at the location of where the penguins were found, such as the climate and terrain. This will help you build the perfect habitat for the penguins to live in. After you have gathered all of your research, you and your partner will work together to create a brochure about the perfect penguin exhibit, including evidence from your research. Have fun exploring, but don't forget, millions of people will be visiting this exhibit, so do your best.